I need to move this stuff over.
She's supposed to be here pretty soon. Randy's here. I think they've already got her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where's Pig? Is Pig in his homie today? How's she doing? I'm so
They call Peg.
Young one's getting older all the time. I see little Ryan.
Him was there. Looking forward to you. How are you?
Jenny, you know,
Wow. Every one of those cities completely built.
Hey, put that thing somewhere.
What I read about
Actually, we've got it before that, but we stayed. Let's watch your opener for this. Oh, yeah? Try this over here.
That's what I was wondering about the second. So Mom had no Hogan because my house was big. And I got the new carpet.
all everybody brought a dish to the kids bought that campaign for the kids, and
I just learned this year that I can make pies. I can make it. Yeah. No, probably making this. They won't let me get anyway. Yeah, this pie I made in Germany in the Christmas world. So I never tried again. And I make me African, but nice socks, you know. Not nylon t-shirts, but mini socks. And I had to march in place up on top of the stands all night long. Yeah, thanks. You dropped something behind it on your lap. Is that it? No, on your lap.
Randy's not even paying attention. Oh, he'll be surprised.
When someone else got the black ones, he went
That's a real.
Down here.
Yo, Denny.
Excuse me. Please.
He's taking the camera. Okay. You didn't follow. It's black. Did anybody do that to you? Didn't call and tell me this was going on. I didn't even know it. He's trusting.
No, I know
Chocolate, it's, yeah, black icing off her cake.
That's funny what happens to people when they reach their age.
No, not too good. Tip it more to the light. Okay. It's a songbook.
This is my favorite kind. Look at this. That's my. Look here. This is my favorite kind. Essence of locker room. It is. Oh, load the armpit. Load the armpit. I am not. Essence of locker room. Try it. Just put a little pinch between your cheek and gum.
Do it.
Survival, what trick you know?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
I can't wait for my brother's
You better make up my mind. Did I sing?
Wednesday night I gotta come out. I think I need to type a Linda about it. Yeah. I don't mind driving to Detroit early, but I wouldn't want to drive out there at 10:30 at night. Good job. That was a good artist. You were really pretty.
I'm not looking.
This one doesn't. Gonna pass the booger too.
He does. It sure looks like you're writing, and you know me. Hi. Forget her stars. Oh, here's a card. Whoa.
Says always seal the booger in. Can't keep so it doesn't dry out. It was a little windy at the game last night. like that little piece.
Oh. What's the black?
What color is that?
Brown is tan.
Rough closing for all those, too, I'll tell you.
Oh.
He's got it. Rich, you are pretty good looking. That one's stuffed.
Yeah.
Looks like she's embarrassed.
That's a new one there. Well, if it hurts your back, you shouldn't do it.
Hey, man, this is a job. We won.
Ben,
What they say, you didn't make it, we won, didn't we? Wayne wasn't happy.
Heck, you shouldn't do it. Becky, did you know that today is Janice's 40th birthday party? Is there anything you want to say to her?
Hi, Janice. Happy birthday. 40 big ones.
Aren't you coming up pretty soon back?
2 days. But I won't be 40. Not yet.
We got here Claudia D. Newton.
Yeah.
Anything special you want to say, Claude?
Yeah, Jenny Hoover, yeah, she's a troublemaker. She takes delight in having large women accost you. We were at a child study convention. You'd think you'd be safe, all dressed up, and this one big burly lady, big burly lady, decided that we had stolen her coat. And naturally we're trying to explain to the woman, she was drunk, that we didn't have her coat. Well, Jenny pipes up and says, Claudia, give her her coat. Don't steal the woman's coat. And I'm thinking, oh my God, we're gonna die. We had to leave, have the bouncer walk us through the parking lot because we were afraid the entire women's soccer team was gonna kill us. Yeah, Jenny, she's a troublemaker. Now she's 40. Maybe she'll slow down.
Is there anything special you want to say to her, though, Claude?
Yeah, I love you, Jenny.
And I know you see this girl probably once a week, but she's got something real special she wants to say to you.
Hi, Janny. Yes, my hair's brown this week. But do you remember when my hair was forest green? And then the one time when we frosted it, we forgot to put the toner on it, and it was yellow. And I went home, and Denny said I should go back to see you that night. But instead, we went to Kmart with a bandana on my head, and we bought toner, and we did our hair. Well, Janny, it's gray now. It will be next week when Miss Clairol wears off. But, Janny, it's better than green. It's better than yellow. And, Janny, I love you. I don't think of you as a sister-in-law. I think of you as a sister. Happy 40th. Bye.
Dan, here's a lady that's very important to me, someone very special in my life that I love very much, and you know her real well. Mama, do you want to say something to Janny about her 40th birthday?
Sure. Happy birthday, Janie. Sure wish I had you around once in a while at the house now. It'd make life a little more happy and exciting. Of course, I wouldn't want to have to worry about just driving around. Like the time Lenny came out here one time with a car. What about that car? Remember that car, you guys?
Yeah, we wrapped it around a tree on Silver Lake Road.
Yeah, but remember the time you rented the car?
We rented a car?
Didn't you guys rent a car one time and the thing stopped on you and you had to push it up a hill or something?
Oh, that was Claudia's car.
Oh, that was Claudia.
That was Claudia's car, and we ended up pushing it down about 4 or 5 miles down Dye Road in the middle of the night. Yeah, those were good days. They'll never go away. We have many more years to go.
I'm glad you invited me, Jenny. I sure enjoyed watching you. It was just like the old times.
I'm going to cut. Who's sitting right in front of this camera? An old neighbor of yours, Vicki Ward Hoover. Vic, do you know Janice turned 40 today?
I sure do.
Anything special you want to say to her?
Happy birthday, Jan. You don't look 40 at all. You're a good friend.
Today's Jan's birthday, and we sure had a lot of fun putting this video together, didn't we? I kind of wish though that she was with us when we were putting this together, because it was kind of different not having her, you know, the third person, our little buddy. But we sure love you, Janny. And Peg, you want to say anything?
I love you. I'm going to cry.
And so, memories. push this play button over here. Vicki, play push button on. we're gonna sing a little song.
One taking the picture of
The clock, I'm telling don't move, hi Lenny. You just missed dropping in. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna cry.
What's painful to remember? We simply choose to.
Lynn, get yourself now. Yes.
For now.
I got one more time if you want to do it.